Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Code Blue Cam, and the title of the video is Child Predator Tries to Meet Up with Minor, Gets Greeted by Police. Let's get these weirdos, man.
In May 2022, the Cumberland Police Department began an online undercover operation to identify individuals seeking a relationship with a minor. Coincidentally, an undercover investigator stumbled upon an ad on a website similar to Craigslist labeled as Daddy for Little. According to the ad, it stated, "I'm a married professional looking to be discreet, daddy role for little to take care of. I'm in Rochester, let's vibe on." The married individual looking to take on the role of a daddy was soon
Wait, Rochester, New York? Oh my God. So many weirdos in upstate New York, man. I live in New York, bro. Like, nah, weirdos, bro. That's crazy.
Identified as 43-year-old Jason Bowers. The investigator responded to the ad posing as a 15-year-old girl, and the two started chatting on the Kick app. Over the following days, Jason exchanged several messages and images of his day-to-day activities. He went as far as reaching out to the fictitious girl from an office within the hospital where he was employed in Rochester, Minnesota. He would also constantly urge for a voice call rather than text. During one conversation,
Woo! Woo! Oh, yeah. Okay. There's still weirdos up here. Let's not get it wrong. But woo! Rochester, Minnesota. Okay. All right. Woo, man. All right. Let's continue.
Jason suggested a video conference to verify whether the imaginary girl was affiliated with the police. He also pointed out that law enforcement was closely monitoring such activities. About 8 days after their initial messages, Jason embarked on a journey to his fate. From Rochester, Minnesota to Cumberland, Wisconsin, roughly 2.5 hours apart. As Jason reached the meeting point, Cumberland police officers, along with several DCI agents, converged on his vehicle and conducted a high-risk arrest.
Be right there. Right there.
Sir, put your hands up! Put your hands out the window! Slowly grab your keys and step out of your vehicle. Hands up, face away from me. Step out, face away from me. Face away from me. Slowly walk back with their hands up. Face away.
Act
Keep
right.
walking. Keep walking.
Act right.
Keep walking. Face away. Keep walking. Stop.
Better act right. We
down
don't
on your
want to
knees.
put a round in you now.
Put your hands like that. Behind your back.
Yeah, act right now.
Is anyone else in the car? Are there any guns in the car or anything like that? Okay.
Get these freaks up out of here, man. Get these freaks on,
You said no
man.
one else is in the car.
Get these weirdos off the street, man.
Hatch is clear.
I got this one.
Okay. Am I being detained?
I see why no grown-ups want to mess with him, man. Freak ass, man. Weirdo.
Police later discovered Jason was a surgical technician at Mayo Clinic and was married with 2 children. According to his wife, she was unaware of this incident, and as far as she knew, Jason had never been involved in such actions before.
I parked in the middle of the street so nobody would come down. And then
He got a wife? Typically, these pedos, man, these weirdos, man, they're like losers in their basement and stuff like that. She's attracted to him? He's a weirdo. Like, what? Yo, this world is crazy.
people in the apartment. What's that lady in the apartment on the street?
lights at?
I do. I'm like, you see them?
Well, they're not right.
No.
Yeah, they are backwards because Tater Tot put them on backwards. My husband has fixed them. The actual interview. And stuff. She's just gonna put him in the interview room and he can just
Okay.
sit and
So,
speak for a second.
it might be trickier than what we can do. In terms of searching. It might just be easier to search it. Like, document it, take out photos and stuff like that. If you're okay with
That's
that, I
fine.
mean, it's
Yeah,
a
he's
show.
not gonna be here. They
Right.
take it, so
Okay.
we'll be done.
All right. Awesome. Yeah, like take pictures of the interior, see what you got. and stuff.
Getting Maryland 71870.
You have roster rubber gloves in your slide by any chance?
Yeah.
Step on toes. Do all the pictures here before Rich takes the vehicle.
Okay.
So, there's a whole bunch of bags and stuff inside, and I see there's like shooting targets, so there might be a gun in there somewhere. But yeah, just take pictures of everything, and then just grab anything you find. So
I'm gonna go back and set it.
Electronics, we need to take.
Did he have a phone on him, or is it in the car?
It's in the car, I
Okay,
believe. He
perfect.
did not have a phone on him, but he should have 2 phones.
Okay. So this pretty much take anything?
Anything electronic and anything like he said he was going to bring protection if he was going to use it. So anything like that, and then
Yeah, if there's condoms or anything related to this,
Take those.
let's
Just
let's
picture everything
photograph
else
it,
then?
and then you'll take it as evidence. Yep.
We'll help and search the vehicle and get it out.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll go back and we'll do the interview.
yeah, and then we'll just do a whole. We'll do all the inventory
Yeah, they're kinda
stuff later.
Okay.
You want?
Good job, boys.
Car
Get these
seats.
freaks off the street.
Hey, John. I don't think so. Thank you. Yeah. See you, John. Okay, I have it all photographed.
All set?
I don't have numbers, so.
You got any,
Upon searching his vehicle, officers located a tube of lubricating jelly, a loaded 9mm handgun, and a small amount of marijuana.
it's a cell phone, you have to take a picture of the cell phone?
Yeah.
I took a picture of that.
Got that? Okay. Can you take a picture of that lube that was in that bag?
How can he come here? Well, I mean, there is a lunch packed in the back. Maybe he didn't want to use his card to bring anything in.
Listen.
That's why it smells like weed. I got weed.
Really?
Anybody want some?
Where was that in that little red thing?
Yep. Just
Here, put it back. Now he's going to charge.
Subsequently, he was taken to an interview room where he requested to speak with his attorney before answering any questions. Following this, he was transported to the jail.
Step on. I'm gonna walk around the back of the squad. Keep walking.
Yeah, they gonna love you in the county.
To the left into that room. Not at the moment. Sit down over here for the.
Hello.
Hey, Cumberland PD, 1 male.
Alright, come on in.
Hello.
How is Jason today?
He's good.
Good. Well, then how's Mindy today?
I'm good.
Good.
How are you?
Good.
Good.
Good, man. I just gotta get some questions, okay? Go ahead and take your feet up. Okay, come on over here. Yeah, that's right. You have any? Okay, you wanna bring me in here, Jason? Okay, but I'll have you take your seat back there and then take your shoes off for me.
Shortly after obtaining a search warrant for Jason's phone, it was revealed that he had exchanged multiple messages with male and female couples. These messages often detailed meetings at local hotels involving sexual activities. Jason was charged with felony using a computer to facilitate a child sex crime and attempted second-degree sexual assault of a child. As of March 2023, he was found guilty of attempted second-degree sexual assault of a child. His other charge was dismissed, but read in. Ultimately, he was sentenced to 3 years in prison and 7 years of extended supervision.
Good job. I love cases like this, man. Get these weirdos off the street, man. I love it. Good day.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.